Hey, have you ever had an art project go sideways and wondered, can I still salvage this? I'll be honest and say I wasn't even going to post this video because things didn't turn out the way I hoped they would. If you're new here, here's my backstory. I'm on a creative art journey, and lately I've been focusing on watercolors. I have some videos where I'm using watercolor pencils and also these same watercolor markers. I wanted to switch it up though and try this technique I saw where you add coarse salt to add texture. It's like art and science are mixing together. One video that I saw said that while the paint is still wet, you're going to sprinkle your salt over the areas that you want to add texture. And then the salt is going to absorb the moisture and the pigment, and it's going to create unique patterns as it dries. And I thought, sure, that'd be easy enough to do. I was completely wrong. So after trying and failing, here are my 3 tips to turn a mishap into a masterpiece. First off, start with a light sketch. Nothing perfect, it just helps you to stay in the lines and gives you an idea of what you want to accomplish. Number 2, and I think this is the most important, you want to invest in quality supplies. So I got these at a bargain price from my local art supply store, but you're getting ready to see right here how it doesn't have any more pigment and I've only used them one time before. You know what they say, you get what you paid for. By this point, I was confused and a little bit aggravated, so I just started grabbing different markers. I do like how the colors blended together, but I still wasn't satisfied. Which brings me to my 3rd tip, practicing patience. All the experts say that watercolor painting is as much about timing as it is about technique. I was supposed to allow each layer to thoroughly dry before I added details. I think I've learned my lesson. Alright, I'll just let you sit back and relax and enjoy. So here's the $1,000,000 question. Is it possible to turn a creative mishap into a masterpiece? Masterpiece? That's a bit of a stretch. Let's just say it is possible to take your mishap, to take your mistake, and to continue to move forward. This watercolor journey has helped me to remember that every artist starts somewhere, and with practice and the right approach, things will get better. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for coming with me on my creative art journey. It didn't turn out too bad. I will tackle this again. All right, let me go and get back to the drawing board.